Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add transitions in Canva. For that, first step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. It will lead you to a home page of Canva website, and here on the top right corner you can see this Create a Design button. Click on it and choose this video template. After that, on the left side, click on the uploads option, and on the video, upload your required video. After your upload is completed, you can simply drag this video into the screen, and here if you click on this plus sign, then it will create a new page, and here you can add another video as your requirement. Here I am choosing the same video as an example. After that, if you simply hover the mouse in between these two pages, you can see an option here, add a transition. Click on it, and here you can see the different options that you can choose from and add it in your Canva project. If you click on this dissolve, then it will show a transition like this, and from here you can choose different options. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.